Welcome to the hardwarengineer.com. I am Varun Patel. In this video, you will learn the different parts of valves. The valve is an assembled product. It consists of various parts. Knowing of this part is must if you are working with valve. Watch this video till the end so that you will learn about body, bonnet, disc, seat, stem, trim, and actuator that use in valve. Please subscribe to my channel because it helps me to increase my reach on YouTube, and you will also get regular updates on new video. You can subscribe right now by just clicking the subscribe button on the right hand side of the screen. Body. The valve body is the main pressure retaining part that also houses other valve parts such as disc and seat. Here you can see that body also provides passage for the fluid to flow from the valve. Ends of valve body connect with piping. This end can be flange, threaded and butt welding types that depends on the size and pressure of the piping system. Valve bodies can be cast, forged in a different materials such as cast steel, stainless steel and alloy steel depending on the requirements. Bonnet. Bonnet is the second pressure retaining part of the valve. It is also known as a cover. It connected with valve body by bolting, welding or threading to create valve enclosure. In case of gate, globe, stop, check and diaphragm valve, it has an opening so that the valve stream can pass through it. Bonnet provides access to valve internals during maintenance. Usually it contains a stuffing box and also support yoke and operating mechanism of the valve. Disc. The disc is a part which allows throttles or stop flow depending on its position. In the case of the plug or ball valve, the disc is called plug or ball. A valve disc could be cast, forged or fabricated. A disc is seated against the stationary valve seat or seats when the valve is in closed position. It can be moved away from the valve seat by motion of the valve stem, with exception of check valve and safety relief valve, in which the disc is moved away from its seat by the fluid flow and pressure. Seat. Seat is one of the main components that directly affect the leakage rate of the valve. Seat can be an integral part of the valve body or made of forged ring or non-metallic material. A valve may have one or more seats. In case of globe and swing check valve, there is one seat, which forms the seal with the disc to stop the flow. A gate valve has two seats, one on the upstream side and the other on the downstream side. Multi-port plug and ball valve may have several seats, depending upon the number of ports in the plug or ball. Stem. Stem is a forged solid rod or shaft. The valve stem transfers the required motion to the disc, plug or a ball for the opening or closing the valve. It is connected to the valve handle, actuator or the lever at one end and the valve disc on the other. In gate or globe valve, linear motion of the disc open or close the valve, while in plug, ball and butterfly valves, disc is rotated to open or close the valve. Note that stop check valves do not have stem. Trim. The removable and replaceable valve internal parts that come in contact with the flow medium are collectively termed as a valve trim. This part includes valve seat, disc, glands, spacers, guides, bushing and internal spring. API standard has standardized trim material by assigning a unique number to each set of trim materials. Actuator. The actuator is a mechanism that operates the valve. It is connected to the stem and disc assembly. It may be manually operated by hand wheel, manual lever, gear, chain or it can be operated through motor, solenoid, pneumatic or hydraulic mechanism. Some valves are self-actuated, such as check valve. There are many types and subtypes of these components. You can learn all that along with more than 18 types of valve in detail. Buy my course How to be an Expert in Piping Valves. Link is given in the description. This is all about components of the valve. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like and share my video with your friends. If you want to request a video, write in the comment. See you soon. Goodbye. Take care.